Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Myself Chitali Arora from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota. Welcome you all kids. So kids, in the previous classes we have already learnt about capital and small letters A to U. Capital and small letters A to U. So today we will learn to trace and write capital and small letters V and W. Capital and small letters V and W. So everyone take out your Grafalco, open page number 6969, mention the date here, okay. Now first we will see some pictures related to capital and small letter V, okay. So look over here kids, this is capital letter V. V for van, V for van. Now tell me what is this? This is V for vegetable, V for vegetable. This one is small letter V and this one is capital letter V. Okay, now we will learn to write on small board first. So kids, first we will draw capital letter V. We have to start from red line. So kids, look here, draw slanting line. Okay, one more slanting line in upward direction. Like this. Okay, now we will draw small letter V here. So we have to start from second blue line. Okay, so draw one slanting line, one more slanting line in upward direction like this. Okay, now kids, after this we will do tracing part of capital letter V. So everyone take out your pencil, hold it properly like this. Now look here kids, this is capital letter V. Let's do tracing part. So kids, look here, you have to start from first line, draw one slanting line, touch it, then one more slanting line in upward direction like this. One more time, slanting line like this, one more slanting line in upward direction and touch this line. Now let's write on dot. So look over here, slanting line, one more slanting line in a upward direction. Okay, again kids, slanting line, one more slanting line in upward direction like this. Okay, this one is capital letter V, capital letter V. One more time, slanting line, touch these lines properly everyone. One more slanting line in upward direction like this. Okay, now come to small letter V. This one is small letter V. Let's do its tracing now. Look over here, we have to draw this letter in between these two lines only. So draw small slanting line, one more small slanting line in upward direction like this. Okay, slanting line like this. Again, small slanting line, then one more small slanting line in upward direction like this. Now let's write on dot. So look here, slanting line, one more slanting line in upward direction, okay? Like this. Again, slanting line, one more slanting line in upward direction. You have to draw this letter in between these two lines only. Slanting line, one more slanting line in upward direction. Okay kids, like this. So for V you have to complete pages 69 and 70. Now kids, after this let's see some pictures related to capital and small letter W. Capital and small letter W. Before that, come to page number 7 to 72. Let's see some pictures. Look here kids. This is W for watch. This one is capital letter W. W for watch. This one is small letter W. W for wheel. W for wheel. Okay. Now after this we will learn this letter on small board. Now let's draw capital letter W here. So draw one slanting line, one more slanting line, up, down, up, like this. Now let's draw small letter W here. Okay, we have to draw this letter in between these two lines only. So draw slanting line, slanting line up, down, up. Okay. Now let's do tracing of capital letter W. Capital letter W. So look here kids. You have to start from first line, draw slanting line, down, slanting line, up, again down, up. Touch these lines properly kids, like this. One more time. Slanting line down, slanting line up, down, up, like this. Now let's write on dot. Slanting line down, up, down, again up. Again kids, look here, slanting line down, then up, down, again up. One more time, slanting line down, up, down, up, like this. Now come to next one. Now this is small letter W. First we will do its tracing. So look here. Start from here kids. Small slanting line now. One more small slanting line, up, down, up. Okay, you have to draw this letter in between these two lines only. Again kids, small slanting line down, up, down, up, like this. Touch these lines properly everyone. Okay, now let's write on dot. So slanting line down, up, down and up. One more time. Slanting line down, up, down, again up. Okay, one last time. Slanting line down, up, down, up, like this. Okay, so kids, for W you have to complete pages 72 and 73. Now let's see some live examples. So look here, these are wheels, these are wheels. W for wheel, W for wheel. One more example. Look here kids, these are vegetables. Yes, V for vegetable, V for vegetable. So kids, I hope you all understood this concept. So everyone take care. Bye-bye.